How to fix Madden 22 stuck on loading screen on Windows. 1. Restart the modem and router. 2. Run the game as an administrator. Like this. 3. Scan and repair your game files. 3.1. For Steam users, 3.2. For Origin players, 4. Update your network driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Change your DNS settings. 6. Delete game data on Xbox. Path, Home My Games and apps manage game and add-on saved data. 7. Perform a clean boot on your Windows. 8. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide.